Hey, boys and girls. My name's Tatum Abel, and I'm a real estate agent with Weichert Realtors, The Space Place. Tonight, we're reading a book that makes me giggle every time. It's called, Do Princesses Wear Hiking Boots? Well, let's see. Mommy, do princesses wear hiking boots when they wish to take the scenic routes? Do princesses ride tricycles? Yes, even two-wheel bicycles. Do princesses climb trees? Is there a better way to catch the breeze? Do princesses like to walk in the rain? They dance through the puddles without refrain. Do princesses play in the sand and dirt? If they're wearing jeans and a messy old shirt. Do princesses have to do any chores? They clean their drawers and sweep their floors. Mommy, do princesses have to follow the rules? That's one of the things they learn at school. Do princesses eat the crust of their bread? They save them for the ducks instead. Do princesses have a favorite vegetable? They find them all delectable. Do princesses drink sparkling punch? They prefer lemonade with lunch. When princesses laugh, do they sometimes snort? They have manners of every sort. Do princesses cry and make a fuss? They have bad hair days just like us. Do princesses snore when they fall asleep? After they've counted 500 sheep. Mommy, do princesses seem at all like me? Look inside yourself and see. Well, I hope you enjoyed my book about princesses, and I bet there's many of you that are princesses out there as well. Have a good night, sleep tight, and sweet dreams.